Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram's new features before everyone else. So if you want early access to Instagram newest features before they go viral, whether it's experimental tools, layouts, or hidden effects, here is how you can unlock them before everyone else. So first, you can just join the Instagram beta. So on Android, you can just go to the Instagram page in the Play Store. Here, open up the Play Store and find Instagram. Click on search and use Instagram keyword. Open the page, and then here you can just scroll down until you find the join the beta options if you see one. And after that, you'll get the task update early, but you need to expect a few bugs. Second one, you can also go or do it on the Instagram app directly by going to your profile. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then you can just scroll down until you find these options under your app and media. This one, early access to features, click on it, and there will also this option, join the beta program. So with this on, you'll try the new Instagram features before they are released. And Instagram may be unstable because features are still in development, and you can also leave this program and at any time. So you can just toggle it on like this and go back, and after that you can have that newest features before everyone else. And next, you need to make sure that you are always on the latest version. So you need to go to the Play Store updates and turn on auto updates so you don't miss new features the second they drop. And there's also this region-based feature because Instagram often tests new features in specific countries. So to try them early, you can use a VPN to set your locations to places like the US, Canada, or India, the top testing regions. And boom, now you are first in line for Instagram newest features. So that's very much all. Hit like if this helps, subscribe and click on the thanks for more Insta hacks, and comment if you have questions. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.